All right, it's been a busy day today. I've been out in the field just working, and we're doing a little bit of maintenance. This is one of our good clients, and they have a nice water feature in their backyard that I'm going to show you in a bit. But I really love overall what we've done and how we planned out the backyard. There's a lot of neat areas and good things to showcase, so let me take you around. Started off with doing kind of a series of just small retaining walls to hold back this hillside, and then they had a big grassy area just up on top of this hill that we converted into mulch and ground cover. So we've been kind of working here all day and disturbing the peace, but normally there are just flocks of birds that are visiting these bird feeders, and they even have a series of bird houses all around the property here too. Here on the other side of the yard, and here's the entry steps for the deck. You see how the sun's glaring right now, but once I step a few feet under this canopy, it really provides some nice shade and cover. Got the outdoor patio furniture, which makes a nice relaxing addition. Fan to keep things cool in the summer. Bunch of little trinkets and wind chimes. And of course, look at this view right here. One of my favorite things about this water feature is it's one of the first features we started using driftwood on. My favorite piece is by far right here. The water can actually cascade through certain little peaks in the driftwood, and it made it look like the water just carved through like a root or a tree stump or something, which I thought was pretty unique. So I'm up here towards the top of the waterfall, and it has, you guessed it, driftwood. This is actually a tree stump that we put up here, and it just makes it look like the water's just flowing right out from the bottom of it. We thought this was a great way to disguise the waterfall unit, and sometimes people put like a rock over it or put some plants around it, but we've never used a tree stump before. So I know you can see a lot of the mulch and kind of open spaces right now, but in the middle of summer, this whole hillside just gets so lush and filled in with plants and landscaping. It really just takes over and looks absolutely stunning. So you can see behind me that there are a series of stone steps that lead up to the waterfall, and on the edges you can see there are some path lights. Those give illumination towards the ground and help you kind of see where you're stepping at night. We also have numerous spotlights placed throughout the landscaping, which kind of uplight different areas such as trees and other plants. And there are even a bunch of spotlights in the waterfall too. You really can't have too many lights. I think I just counted between 28 and 32 lights they have back here, and we're supposed to install like 8 more this summer. Either way, not only does it make it for a beautiful setting during the day, but it really creates a nice ambiance too at night. Every time I talk to these homeowners, they seem like the most relaxed, happy people in the world. Between the waterfall, the landscaping, the bird houses, and just the great living space they've created down here on the deck, it's no wonder that they would even want to leave this backyard. I mean, seriously, how could you not enjoy relaxing back here? whether you're just getting ideas or inspiration or actually thinking about doing something in your backyard, I hope this was helpful for you. Do me a favor, if you like what you saw in this video, give me a like, give me a comment, tell me some things that you'd like to see more showcases of. Oh, by the way, they have another 15 lights, I think, up front here too. I mean, seriously, how could you not? I mean,